A jerry can holder. I had it cut out by a local metal supply company. Um, I actually had a buddy of mine make this in a CAD software, which then allowed me to be able to have them cut it out, and I welded it together. Have the same setup from 4x4 Innovations. It was perfect. As you see, I have the spare tire back here for the dual swing out. Get these off here. Got the same, but on the driver's side as well. I actually initially had the same setup, but I found that the bar, the square bar that went across that Micah did, was a little long, and so at camp I was finding myself having to walk around it, or actually even find a spot that allowed for me to be able to camp and park because it was in the way. I also integrated mine. Actually went through, what we be seeing there. Yeah, there's the back of it right there. The hitch receiver, I don't tow with it either, but this allowed for me to get rid of the lower receiver, which allowed for my departure angle and less worry about scraping it up. And then getting rid of the spare tire opened up a lot of room underneath here, which then allowed me to put a house battery right over there, which allows for power in the rear to be able to power any of my extra stuff instead of having to worry about a separate power supply. Right now the tent is off. I'm replacing that. That's the reason why all the wires are hanging on there. But pretty much the same setup. It's solid. Like I said, I pulled with this receiver, bumper. Actually have video of a box truck that I helped recover that I had to attach to a tree to be able to help get it out. And I was able to connect to the bumper here to a tree, and no deflection, still straight as an arrow. Fantastic build. So, decent little setup.